Most commercial cleaning business owners struggle to get consistent walkthroughs. They'll post on Facebook, run a few ads, maybe rely on referrals, and then go weeks without new contracts. That's not a system, that's luck. The truth is, if you can build lists of businesses probably needing cleaning and then reach out to them directly every single day, you will never run out of leads and, more importantly, opportunity again. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. This is the same system my company uses to find and contact offices, restaurants, schools, property management companies every single day at scale. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how to generate unlimited leads for your commercial cleaning business, all without running ads, relying on referrals, or buying overhyped, exclusive leads, right? So there are thousands of businesses in your city that already pay for cleaning services, or they should be. They just don't know your company exists. But when you reach out directly through cold email or cold calling, you're not interrupting them, you're offering help with something they already need. So the mistake most commercial cleaning owners make is thinking they need fancy ads, viral videos, or even a big marketing agency to grow. You don't. What you need is a system that brings new opportunities to you every single week, something that runs even when you're out doing walkthroughs or managing staff, right? So the first tool I want to show you is Instant Data Scraper. I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to type in Instant Data Scraper. Once I get that, it'll take me here, and you're just going to want to install it on your browser. Once you do that, you'll have this little icon here, right? So let's say that we want to reach out to schools, for example, schools in Houston, Texas. So I'm just going to type that in, and we see all these schools are coming up here. So what we're going to want to do so that we have a virtually unlimited list of leads to reach out to, we're going to press the Instant Data Scraper icon. Once we press that, as you see, it's already bringing up, all this info right here. So it gives you the name of the school and their phone number, and it's going to put this all on a list for you. And it gives you, their website here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press Locate Next button. And we're going to go down, press the next button so that it can actually press it by itself. All right, so I'm press the next button. Now we're going to go back to Instant Data Scraper here, and we're going to press Start Crawling. All right, and we're going to do this in real time. I'm just going to let it run for a couple seconds here. And now I'm going to press Stop, and we'll see just how quickly, this is all real time, we'll see just how quickly all the data was gotten. So I'm just going to press Copy. I'm going to go to a folder, and I'm just going to enter that info in there. All right, so here's all the info. So literally this took a second, maybe 5 seconds, and we have all of these schools' info. Now, if you have a cold calling team, or if you're cold calling yourself, you can literally just go right down the list and call all these schools and see if they're interested. Same thing, if we wanted to do this, let's say for daycares in Houston, Texas, exact same thing. Press this button, Locate Next button, press it. I'm gonna go back, Instant Data Scraper, starts crawling. And we're gonna stop it, copy the data, and let's see, we'll have a new sheet just so you can see. Boom. Now we have a calling list of a bunch of daycares in Houston, Texas. And it was that quick, that easy, right? So this is just one of the first and easiest ways to get data. This is as you see, 100% free. I'm going to show you next. It's a paid method, but it gives you a lot more data. All right, so the next tool that we're going to use is Outscraper. All right, so Outscraper, what you do, you have to buy credits, and then what you want to do is go to the services, going to go to the Google Maps scraper. All right, so here, Let's just stick with Houston just to keep it, keep it simple. Let's remove all these locations. Let's go Houston. Let's find Texas in here. All right, so we see all these. If we wanted to just go by zip code even, we could do that. But we're going to get all the zip codes in Houston for this example. All right, so let's see, who do we want to reach out to? Maybe doctor's offices, dentist's offices, dental laboratories, dental clinics, property management companies, right? So with Outscraper, it's literally this easy. We put in our categories that we want, we put in our location, and then the next thing you need to do, this is very important, otherwise you're going to waste a bunch of money. Okay, so you want to make sure that you go here to advanced parameters and make sure that delete duplicates is checked. Otherwise, you're going to waste a bunch of credits. And then one thing you might also want to do is maybe you want to get only businesses with websites, as this is a good indicator that this business is legitimate, has money, cares about their business, etc. Right? So once you press the button, get your data, you'll see approximately how much it'll cost. Let's just wait a sec. All right. So it'll cost anywhere between $12 to $84. Generally, it's going to be in the middle. So this might cost about $40, right? Not bad for all the data that we're going to get. All right. So once you're done, you just press confirm and then it'll go. And I'm not going to press it right now just because I don't want to buy this list. But once you do that, I'm going to show you what the lead list looks like that you get back. All right. So this is what one of these lead lists looks like when you get it back. It'll have a bunch of info. Some of it you probably don't even need. But yeah, so like these are all the bowling alleys in Raleigh, North Carolina, all the orthodontists. So you'll have company name, the website, a phone number. You'll also get various emails, and then you're going to need to clean the emails or verify the emails before sending to them. But yeah, you get emails for a lot of the companies as well. And just one thing is that, yeah, these might be info emails, but these emails 100% still result in closed contracts. So, and now let's move on over to Apollo. So with Apollo, you have a couple different options. One thing you can do is take the lead list that you got and put those domains into Apollo. And actually, I'm going to show you what that looks like here. So let's go into Apollo. This is a free Apollo account, by the way, so you don't need to pay for it. It's in here. So you put these in, we press save and search. We'll see we have 26 leads that are from the file that we didn't have their exact name or contact info. Now we know their exact name and their contact info. So once we get this list, we'll have their emails, we'll have their phone numbers. We should have everything that we need to actually reach out to them and know who we're contacting. Okay, so then another thing that we can do with Apollo, instead of just worrying about the lead lists we got before and enriching those, what we can do is get brand new lead lists just in our target market. So actually, if I just delete all these, we'll get just owners, CEOs, founders, and facility managers in Houston. So as we see here, we have 21,000, right? That's a huge lead list to reach out to. And if you can't find a couple clients out of this, I don't know what to tell you, right? So once we have this lead list, what we're going to do is we're going to download the emails, then we're going to clean the lead list, then we're going to be ready to go and actually start reaching out to these people so that we can generate walkthroughs. Okay, so once you have your verified data, you have a few options. As I said, you can plug these into a cold email system and start sending daily outreach. Or if you have a cold calling team or want to cold call yourself, you can add these lists to a dialer and start calling. The most important thing is consistency. Do not send 50 emails one day and stop for a week. You need to send hundreds or thousands every single day, right? So every batch you send is another opportunity for a walkthrough, another quote, and another potential long-term client. So over time, your database becomes one of your biggest assets. You'll know who already has cleaning. You'll know which industries respond best. You'll know which cities in your area convert the fastest, and you'll know which messages get the best responses. So once you're running consistent outreach, Make sure you track your results. As I said, which industries respond the most often, which cities generate the higher value contracts, which messages or subject lines work the best. Over time, the data that you get will allow you to refine your targeting, refine your messaging, and instead of reaching out to 10,000 random businesses, you're reaching out to 1,000 that are the perfect fit for your commercial cleaning company, right? So that's the full system. Find the right businesses, clean your data, and contact them consistently. This is the same process that we use for our clients every day here at Elevate Clients Inc. to help them generate predictable walkthroughs and contracts. So if you own a commercial cleaning company and you want my team to build and manage this entire system for you, from list building all the way to outreach, then reach out to us, schedule a call, and we'd love to help. This is Jeremy Dixon from Elevate Clients, and I'll see you in the next one.